Hey everybody! Oh gosh, if you're new here, I am Sandra Fellers and you are about to hear a funny story about me and my silliness. And you see people on Facebook and Instagram and all these different social medias, and they only show you the best part of them. Like, to get ready for my video today, I fixed my hair a little bit. I put a little bit of makeup on, a little bit of lipstick. I made sure I had on, decent clothes. I put a necklace on, whatever, because I wanted to look decent for my video. And, and that's what everybody does when they're making these posts. They're using filters. They're, doing all these things because they want to put their best face forward. And there's nothing wrong with that. Not at all. I do it too. I love filters. I have some that I use all the time. But I went through all of that, got ready for my video. I had everything laid out on my table. I had all my supplies in order where I needed them. I made sure I had water in my hair dryer and my chalk and everything. And I had these little, two of these little wooden boards. I got them at Hobby Lobby. They're in the fall section. They're 40% off right now if you want one. So I got these out. I did my entire project, and I'm just talking to you guys, and I'm thinking to myself, I wonder why it's not showing me anybody is watching. That's really weird because, normally somebody's watching when I'm doing a video. But I thought, you know what? Facebook is changing all the time. Maybe they changed it. Maybe it doesn't show there anymore, but I'm just going to keep going. The show must go on, right? So I got to get this project done, and, I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So I did the entire project, the whole thing, start to finish, talking to you guys, talking to myself, basically. And then when I said goodbye and, I showed the finished project, I said goodbye and I went to hit the end button and it said start live video. I never started the dang video. Like, I feel so dingy. I feel so dingy. But you know what? It is what it is. I went in the other room and I sat down and chilled out for a minute. I actually called and talked to my mom and told her how silly I was, and decided that I would come back in here. I'm not gonna do another craft, but I do want to show you what I did with these boards. So what I ended up doing with my silly self while I was talking to myself was I used the transfers from last fall for the cutout pumpkins, which those were a huge success last year. They sold out super quick. If you didn't get yours and wanted some, they are on the website again. They're available again. Or if you just want more, they're there. But anyway, so the transfers that went with those, I decided to use them in a different way. I didn't want to make pumpkins. I wanted to do something with these boards. So what I did is I took, for example, on this one, the striped pattern from the pumpkin design and put it on the bottom portion of the board. And then I took a W and put the monogram on there. And then I tied a little buffalo plaid ribbon at the top so that you can either hang it, or my original thought was this would be the perfect thing to add to my tiered tray. This one actually is going to be for my mom. I put a W on it for her last name. But I thought it would be really cute to sit in a tiered tray. So that was my thinking when making this. So I also made one for myself. And again, this was another pumpkin transfer in the polka dots. So I did the polka dots in the black velvet chalk, and then I did my last initial in the bright white chalk. And then I also added the buffalo plaid. So I think it's gonna look really cute in my tiered tray. And I want to know, which do you guys like better? Do you like the stripes or do you like the polka dots? Vote for your favorite in the comments. Stripes or polka dots? Mom, if you're watching, congratulations. This one is yours. She didn't know I was making it for her, but I did. I had 2 of them, and I thought, well, that'll be a good opportunity for me to show 2 different ones. And I only need 1. So that's what I did. And I feel super silly. And I know everybody does silly things like this, but it just made me feel really dingy and frustrated and aggravated because I spent all that time making the craft and talking to you guys and thinking that I was making a video, and I had no video to show for it. So sometimes you just need to remember to give yourself a little bit of grace. and that's what I'm going to try to do for the rest of the day. So that's all I have for you guys this week. I'm sorry you didn't get to see the process. I really intended for you to. So that's my silliness for today. Vote in the comments if you like the stripes or the polka dots. And if you are not in my free crafting club on Facebook, let me know if you want to get in there. I'll send you a link so that you can get in there. It's a fun place to share your crafts and look at what other people are making and get some inspiration for maybe what your next craft project is going to be. So that's it for today. See you guys again next week on my next live video, and hopefully it will go much better. All right, bye.